heard a knock upon my door the other day. I opened it to find her staring in my face. The feel of mortal stalking still reverberates.
Falling in reverse, and former Escape the Fate vocalist Ronnie Radke was arrested in Glendale, California in an alleged domestic dispute with his girlfriend. He was arrested on Monday, August 6th, and posted $30,000 bond after spending the day in jail. Public Information Officer Sergeant Tom Lorenz with the Glendale Police Department said he was arrested on 2 misdemeanor charges.
The Los Angeles County District Attorney Office filed a criminal complaint alleging that Mr. Radke had committed misdemeanor assault, domestic violence, and false imprisonment.
Sergeant Lorenz talked about the alleged circumstances that led to Ronnie's arrest.
Back in May of 2012, a female came to the Glendale Police Department out here in California and reported that her boyfriend, known as Ronald Radke, had assaulted her and that she was in fear of him. She had reported that earlier in the month, going back as early as late April of the previous month, she had identified another female that could have possibly been involved with her boyfriend. She was living with Ronald Radke, and so she was upset about that. She confronted Mr. Radke about it. Obviously, an argument developed out of that, to the point where Mr. Radke had taken her cell phone away, damaged it, and at one particular point, she alleged to have her hair pulled by Mr. Radke and then her head and face forced down into the floor.
The police and authorities did their due diligence before arresting Radke.
The Glendale Police Department Assault Unit investigated it over the next couple weeks. They collected evidence. They interviewed witnesses, parties that may have been known to know what was going on in the relationship. The case was presented to the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office. They filed the case, a criminal case, against Mr. Radke. The warrant was turned over to the Glendale Police Department, and Mr. Radke was arrested at his residence on that particular warrant on August 6th, 2012 at about 7:49 in the morning.
He's due at Glendale Municipal Court August 14th. Radke had just gotten out of prison after a 2-year sentence, and there was no word on how the new charges would affect terms of his previous release.
Can't you see?